Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today, for this video, I will be showing you how you can download blockchain wallet application for your desktop. Now, to begin with, you cannot download the blockchain application on your desktop by just going to a certain website and clicking on download button. For you to download the blockchain application, you need to download the first BlueStack app. As you can see, I have already installed the BlueStack app over here. I'm going to tap on that application. Then once you open the BlueStack application, you need to go to the Play Store. There you type in the search bar blockchain wallet, then tap on search, that is enter. You can see the application over here. You tap on install. Now you wait for the application to be installed in your PC. Now you can see the application has been installed in your PC. You can just tap open it. You can see the application over here. You can just tap open it and the application will be open in your PC. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how easily you can download the blockchain app on your PC. You just need to remember that you need to download the BlueStack Inc. before you download any application for your PC. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that YouTube gets you notified on videos from Logging Aid. Thank you.